So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and enable the 24-hour time on your Android device. Let's get started. So at first, what you'll need to do is to open up the settings app on your Android phone, then scroll down a bit, and essentially you just want to find the general management. And part of the general management is the date and a time right here. So I want you to just click on it, and here are a bunch of different settings regarding the date and time selection. But at the bottom, you have the 24-hour format, and it literally is just one toggle, so you get to decide if you enable it or not. So it's pretty simple in that sense because there isn't really much else to pick right here. So essentially just have that turn on or off and you're gonna be good to go. This will also change at the time, and it will add it and make it show up differently in the corner right there. So it is now 13:08 with a 24-hour format, but if I turn it off, it's just 1 p.m. So yeah, that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if there are any more questions or thoughts you might have. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.